Hello, I'm Becky Campbell from Sew Forever Quilting. If you've tried English paper piecing and didn't like it or found it too tedious because of the basting or gluing, whip stitching, and pulling the papers, this class is a game changer. You will learn how to skip those tedious steps using my self-stick templates, add a quarter ruler, and a rotary cutter. You will simply straight stitch by hand or machine and get accurate results. You will know how to focus cut identifiable motifs, obscure sections, and pattern matches. By the end of class, you will master a new technique you can use again and again with any shape or fabric. No hours of prep, just creative progress. Projects that you can work on at home and travel with. This technique saves time, builds confidence, and makes English paper piecing fun. Ready to learn how? The course is waiting for you. Sign up now to master English paper piecing.